Good morning children and welcome to the online session of English Grammar of class 4. Let us open the next chapter, that is nouns. So let us start reading now. Sentences are made up of words. These words belong to different classes or groups. These groups or classes are called parts of speech. Now look here. All words in the English language belong to a word class. Look carefully. All words in the English language belong to a word class. They are called parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech, children, in the English language. Alright. They are nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions and interjections. Now among all these parts of speech, noun is also a part of it. So in this chapter we will study about nouns, which is a part of speech. Alright. So let us read further. There are 8 parts of speech and they are noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Now we are going to discuss nouns in detail. We will study about nouns now. Now let us read. Nouns are also called naming words. Remember this, nouns are naming words. Everything in the world has a name. That you know, na? Everything, each and everything in the world has a name. A noun names a person, place, animal or thing. Okay? So first we will go through these pictures. Look at these pictures. School. You can see a girl going to a school. Preeti Sen. Preeti Sen. Okay? There is a woman named Preeti Sen. Now here, this is the picture of a dog and here is a picture of a board. School is the name of a place. School is the name of a place. Preeti Sen is the name of a person. Dog is the name of an animal and board is the name of a thing. Now these naming words are called nouns. All these are naming words, children. This is the name of a place. School is the name of a place. Preeti Sen is the name of a person or a woman or a lady. Dog is the name of an animal and board is a thing. Even a pencil is also a thing. This book is also a thing. Animal, you know, there are many animals, cat, monkeys, bear, lion, all these are animals. Now name of a person, it can be the name of anyone. Okay? Nita, Mita, Sita, any name. Alright? And here, this is a place. School is a place. You can also, there are many places in the world. Okay? It can be a garden, it can be a playground. So, now first we will look at the definition of a noun. The names of persons, animals, things and places are called nouns. This is very important. This is the definition of noun. The names of person, this is the name of a person, Preeti Sen. Animals, name of an animal, dog or name of thing, for example board, and name of a place, for example school, are called nouns. These are the examples. Okay, you can form your own examples too. Alright. So now look at this example that I have made for you. Look at this example. Tina and her dog are playing with football in the garden. Tina and her dog are playing with football in the garden. Here you can see the name of a girl named Tina. A girl named Tina. Tina is the name of a girl. Dog is an animal. Okay. Football is a thing and garden is the name of a place. Alright. Tina is the name of a girl. Okay. Dog is the name of an animal. Football is the name of a thing. And garden is the name of a place. So you can get all the names here. Can you see it? So these are called nouns. Okay, all these are nouns. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. So in this sentence you can find the name of all the four things that are person. All these four things you can find here. The name of a girl, a person, a girl is also there. The name of a place is also there, garden. The name of an animal is also there, dog. And the name of a thing is also there, football. So I hope you can understand this. Alright. So without wasting any time, let us do this exercise so that you will get to know more about this thing, noun. Okay. Underline the nouns in the following sentences. Now before going through this exercise, I want to tell you children that all these exercises with answers you will get it in your dashboard. Alright. You can access your dashboard and you can get the answers there. So don't think that if ma'am is explaining here, so she will not give the answers in the dashboard. No, I will give it in the dashboard. I will also explain it to you here. Okay. So let us do it. Mother baked cakes and biscuits. Underline the nouns in this sentence. I have underlined mother, cakes and biscuits. Mother is the name of a person. Cake and biscuits are the name of things. Alright. Next sentence. Give me a cup of tea. Again you can see cup and tea both are things. We get medicines from plants. Here also medicines and plants are things. They are not animals. Okay, they are not even persons or places. They are things. I have a pet dog. Dog